like the Fantastic Four, you are nothing to me. Much like the Fantastic Four, you are nothing to me. Much like the Fantastic Four, you are nothing to me. Much like the Fantastic Four, you are nothing to me. Much like the Fantastic Four, you are nothing to me. Much like the Fantastic Four, you are nothing to me.
Okay, now it's out of the box. You can see there's a few parts that you need to attach to Galactus and a few of the characters that you need to assemble. Okay, let's have a closer look. This is the head of Doctor Doom. It's another alternate portrait for you to replace the original one. This is Galactus himself. This is Morg. Frankie Ray. And Silver Surfer. There's the effects. A few hands you can switch out. The board. And the right side is part of the Galactus. And these are a few switch out, you can do so. One, they can show the stiff, his screening is stiff. And the other one, just looks a little bit of skeleton, I guess. Okay, it's big boy. It's very heavy. This is much heavier than the Haslab Sentinel that I purchased back then. Put the weapon away. Let's see the articulation. His hands on the right side, clench his fingers, very tight. This is much more tighter than Sentinel. Can turn his wrist. He can go left and right. That's all he can do. The balance of the body is good. and you can bend his legs to this extent, and you can push it back. Okay. There are two that you can switch out also. One is this, and there's another grooming tip, which is this. I prefer this will be good. Yeah, he looks badass if you have this. And then this is mouth closed, and let's remove this from him. Let me see how to do it. Can we remove him instead? Yeah, I think we can remove him instead. Let's unplug it. Oh god. Can we unplug him? Tough. Let me take out his. There. Take out a bit. Yep. Now we got it. And we just paste these things back. It's got to be one of my favorite. Oh, because it's inside. Yep, it's good. Okay, that's good enough. How it looks. Yeah, it's good enough. Oh god. I better just put these two away since I'm not using it. Okay. So the battery itself, if you use a 4 AAA battery, then you need to put over here. You need to remove it on top. There you go. It's very easy, and you need to unscrew this. We'll do later on, and let's go to the back of the body. This part over here. I hope I'm not going to break this. Oh, just like that. Screwdrivers screw over here. Take it out. Do this thing over here. Okay. Let's make him balance a bit. Alright. Let's attach this to the side. Is it the right side? No, left side? No, it's all the same. Yep, it's all the same. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, you're good. One more to the other side. Alright, that's fair enough. I'm not going to display this because it doesn't go so with this anyway. Let's put this on side. Okay, I'm going to put the battery. Just unscrew this thing. Okay, let's do it. Okay, and now you can see already attached the board itself, the surfer board on the Galactus end with this purplish effect, and I can't seem to attach it on the board because the leg looks so flimsy. I can't seem to understand why. Another figurine collector, but the Galactus looks good. Maybe I'll just take the surfer boards out, just leave Galactus as it is, or probably I just glue it on top to make permanently to let it show how does the silver surfer looks like together with Galactus. And the same for Frankie. It's the same too, so I'm not sure I'm going to do this. I'm not going to waste a lot of time. So there you have it. This is Galactus, which is at 32 inch tall.